Today I'm very excited as I am finally organizing my mini stamp collection. I got this idea from Jennifer Maguire. I am gonna use the Avery Elle stamp pockets. Its size is 5.5 by 7 3/8. I bought it from Lasting Impression. It costs 650 pesos and it has 50 sheets in the pack. So at the beginning of the video, you will see that I'm still trying to figure out how I'm gonna do it. And later on, I will be doing it per batch. And it went on really easier for me. So I've been trying to look for which stamp I'm gonna put in first, and I choose Lawn Fawn. They are my favorite stamps. So here I figured I needed the cardstock. So I'll be using the cardstock that I bought a long time ago from Be Happy Crafts. And I don't have a large paper trimmer, so I will score it first with my wermemorykeepers trim and scoreboard. But I didn't want to use the trimmer of this tool because I wanted to use the guillotine. So you will see here that I tried to score the cardstock a little smaller than 5.5 by 7 3/8. I think I did 5 1/4 by 7 1/4 before I used my guillotine. There. So here I wanted to use this because it really cuts through paper so well, and it works better for me. So there, I got the cardstock and I put it in the pocket, but I figured it's a little too small, so later on I'll be making larger cardstocks because I wanted to fit exactly in the pocket sheet, like no spaces on the sides. There. This time, I'm sorting all of my stamps by brand. So all of my Lawn Fawn stamps are here with the coordinating dies. I got Mama Elephant, Hero Arts, Richard Garay, Mommy Lay stamps, Echo Park, plus I have a lot of other stamps, Rosie's and other unbranded stamps. Okay, so of course I'll begin with the Lawn Fawn stamps. I'll set aside the others first, and here I decided that the brand will be all caps, and the name of the stamp, Wild For You, I figured I wanted it to be smaller size, so later on I'll be changing that again. I'll print a small size of it using my Tepra. Now I'm removing all of the clear sheets or pockets, and then I'll set aside the smaller stamps and dies first. So now I wanted to just cut 5 1/4 cardstock I'll cut a lot of it, and then I will just score. I'll make a score line later for 7.25 for the bottom part, so it's gonna be easier. Okay, now for the bottom part, since it won't fit my guillotine, I'll just score it first before I cut it. 7.25. There, I'm done. So this time, I'll be cutting it off using my ever so reliable Timholtz conic guillotine. Okay, I use the score line as guide to cut all of those. There, now I'm ready to insert them in the sheets. And there, just the way I like it. It's almost exactly the same as the size, just very little margin is left. I want to label it first. So here, all caps for the brand name Lawn Fawn, and then I'm gonna print it several times. It's either you do it that way, or you can type Lawn Fawn like 2 or 3 times and then just print. So you're gonna be saving more space if you do that. But in this case, I just typed it once and I printed it several times. I'll just use my scissors to cut off the labels. I also figured it's much better to put the label in, to stick on the label before putting the stamp inside, just so it wouldn't be difficult to make it straight.